Let's take a look at this. You can see all that lightning also associated with these thunderstorms. So again, numerous lightning strikes as well as damage reports across central New York. We're going to zoom in. We have another tornado warning that's just been issued. This includes the city of Rome. This is until 4 o'clock. So we have another tornado warning that has been issued for the city of Rome. This also includes Floyd as well as Trenton. So we have two simultaneous tornadoes. We have our first tornado warning that has been issued. This is for the town of Lee, Ansville, Taberg. That is making its way towards Western. And then we also have another tornado warning. This includes the city of Rome. I'm going to get the latest information from the National Weather Service and what they have indicated. So they have noticed some rotation with this storm that is near Rome and is moving to the east at 35 miles per hour. So we're going to put a velocity scan on this. There you go. You can see that rotation right there, just to the west of Rome. That is moving to the east. So if you live in Rome right now, make sure you take cover. Go to an interior part of your house or the basement if possible. Again, you want to stay away from windows as the storm continues to move to the east. So we're going to put a track on this for you as it moves to the east at about 35 miles per hour. So again, a tornado warning has been issued for Oneida County. This includes the city of Rome as well as Floyd, Marcy, Trenton, as we head up towards Remsen, Steuben, again, Holland Patton, another area of concern. So we're going to put a track on this. It is moving to the east at about 35 miles per hour. So it is going to be near Bloomfield Park at 3:29, so right about now. Floyd at 3:41, Holland Patton at 3:51, and Trenton at 3:59. If you live in any of these towns or any town in that red polygon, you want to take cover at this point in time. Again, we have had reports of damaging wind as well as trees down. So again, we've had wind damage in Oneida Castle as well as Verona and Sylvan Beach with wires and trees down. So we do have that tornado warning that has been issued for parts of Oneida County. This does include Rome. So I'm going to zoom in and show you where our area of concern is right now. This includes Floyd Ave, just making its way towards Ridge Mills, just making its way into the Rome area, including Stanwix. It is heading to the east. So we are seeing areas like Cadbury Hill heading towards Floyd as well. Again, this is not a confirmed tornado, but we've had reports of rotation up in the atmosphere. That is why the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning. Just got some information from Sam Wessing, our meteorologist. She said her sister lost power in Rome. So we've had numerous power outages as well. We are dealing with damaging wind across the area, as well as heavy rain and some small hail. So this area of rotation continues to make its way and push to the east. So if you live in Floyd as well as Holland Patton, these are going to be your areas of concern. Cadbury Hill, again, it's making its way through Rome right now. So we are going to continue to track Rome. You notice very heavy winds. So if you live in Rome right now, you need to be indoors. You need to be away from windows in the interior parts of your house as well as the basement. So we are dealing with areas in the Rome area as we go throughout this afternoon. I just got some video of from the Rome MVCC campus. Very, very heavy winds right now. Strong winds moving through the Rome area. So again, if you live in Rome from East Dominic Street to Floyd, just south of Ridge Mills, crossing 825 near Route 49. Again, we are dealing with that tornado warning that has been issued until 4 p.m. for Oneida County. Again, our biggest concern right now is the area of Rome. Take cover if you do live in the Rome area. Take cover if you live in Stanwix, Floyd, Cadbury Hill, East Floyd, Holland Patton. This storm is pushing to the east at about 35 miles per hour, so will continue to make its way into parts of Oneida County. We still have that tornado warning as well for the town of Lee as well as Taberg. That is until 3:45. We will see if the National Weather Service extends that. Looks like that one has weakened a bit. So our biggest area of concern, see where those bright reds and pinks are? That is our biggest area of concern right now in the Rome area. Again, this is impacting right in the middle of Rome. So we're talking about West Thomas Street, East Dominic Street, Floyd Ave, Route 46, as well as 8:25, we've had numerous reports of trees and wires down, as well as power outages. So this is continuing to push to the east. So you want to take precautions if you live in Floyd, Stittsville, Holland Patton. This is Camroden. This is pushing its way towards there. We are now seeing that wind is continuing to push to the east as we go throughout the next half hour or so. So we do have a radar confirmed tornado at this point in time over Rome pushing to the east. So this has indicated that there is a debris signature on the radar for Rome. So let's put this in and see where that is. Right there, guys. There you go. That is where the tornado is right now on the ground. So if you live in Camroden Road, Floyd, Cadbury Hill, you need to take cover right now. We are tracking this as it continues to push to the east. So Holland Patton, take cover. Stittsville, East Floyd. This is the area of concern. You see this area of the bright yellows and greens? This is what we call a debris signature. This indicates that there is debris in the air. So that tornado is picking up debris and putting it in the air. And that is what we are seeing on the radar right now. So again, tornado warning has been issued for central Oneida County. This does include Rome. It looks like it's just past the Rome area. It's now heading towards Floyd, Stittsville, Holland Patton, East Floyd. So if you live along Camroden Road, if you live near 365, it is heading in your direction, as well as Stittsville and Holland Patton. So 365 as you head towards the north and to the east. So I'm going to put a quick track on this. Again, this is a confirmed tornado by the radar, because we are seeing that debris signature. So we see those greens and those yellows indicates that there is debris on the ground, in the air from this potential tornado. It is pushing to the east at 35 miles per hour. So it is going to be near Holland Patton at 347, Trenton at 355, and Prospect at 402. Even if I did not mention your town, if you live in this area, you want to take cover at this point in time. We have a confirmed radar tornado that has been issued for parts of Oneida County. I'm going to zoom out and show you where this is right now. So you see where this pink box is, that includes Western and Rome, and it's now heading straight